Today we'll talk about how can you find your cart on your Decathlon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your cart list. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you here to your basket here or your cart. So it's the same word. So here can you we will find here uh, all favorites or products you add your basket here. So like you see here, I have no products in my basket here or my cart, but if you have it, you will find it in this list on your Decathlon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.